Welcome to Ghani Fatty Digital, where future billionaires are built. Freedom of speech is taken away, then dumb and silent we may be led, like sheep to the slaughter. Labor to keep alive in your breast that little. It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. Associate yourself with men of good quality if you esteem your own reputation, for 'tis better to be alone in bad company. Happiness depends more upon the internal frame of a person's own mind than on the externals in the world. Experience teaches us that it is much easier to prevent an enemy from posting themselves than it is to dislodge them after they have got possession. The turning points of lives are not the great moments. The real crises are often concealed in occurrences so trivial in appearance that they pass unobserved.